In this video, we will be going over some tips to help us be successful in math. Tip number 1, use scratch paper. Writing it down will help you remember things better and get used to the process quicker. Some students solve problems all in their head. If you are a student who struggles in math, don't solve the problems in your head. Write them down on paper. You have to work out the problems in a way that works for you so that you can be successful in math. All you are doing is getting from point A to point B a different way, and that is okay. Not only will writing it down keep you organized, but it will prevent brain fatigue. Tip number 2, take your time. Do not feel bad if you are the last one who is working on their classwork assignment, quiz, or test. Usually the kids who finish last have good scores. Tip number 3, ask questions. Your teacher wants you to ask questions. Don't be nervous or embarrassed to raise your hand to ask a question. More than likely, there is another student in your class who has the exact same question, but they're too nervous to ask. Here are some questions that you can ask your teacher. You can ask, can we go over that problem again? Another one is, can we go over another problem? Ask, can you show me a different way of how to solve the problem? Or ask, can you show me a visual? Now, I am no artist by any means, but I can provide a visual and explain while I am drawing so that way they can keep up with me. You can ask, are there any manipulatives that I can use? Manipulatives are things that you touch. Some examples are cubes, counters, fraction tiles, fraction circles, algebra tiles, and there are plenty more. If you notice that another student really understands the material, ask them questions. You can ask, how did you solve that problem? Or what strategy did you use? Tip number 4, identify how you like to learn. Your teacher can explain or deliver instruction to match how you learn. Do you learn better by listening to examples, or looking at a visual, or watching a video, or hands-on? Some students do need a combination, such as listening while hands-on. Tip number 5, be aware of your strengths and your weaknesses. Your teacher will find out your strengths and weaknesses as time evolves, but you know your strengths and weaknesses before he or she does. Jot down notes as you are learning. If something is just not clicking, let your teacher know. They will have a toolbox to close any learning gaps that you may have. For example, if I have a student who is struggling with comparing fractions with unlike denominators, such as 1/2 compared to 3/8, and I ask, which one is bigger? If you would say 3/8, then I would know that we need a mini lesson on equivalent fractions first. 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8, meaning that 3/8 is actually smaller. So the 1/2 is bigger than 3/8. Your teacher wants you to be successful, and they want you to understand the material and be able to use it. If you found this video helpful, click the like button. Click subscribe if you haven't already to be alerted for future videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon.